Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canvas on your phone. First, download the Canvas student app from your device's App Store, available for both iOS and Android. Once installed, open the app and log in using your school's credentials. This will grant you immediate access to your personalized dashboard, where you can see all your enrolled courses, recent announcements, and upcoming assignments at a glance. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once you're logged in, accessing your course content is simple. Tap on any course from your dashboard to dive into its specific materials. Here, you can view modules, assignments, quizzes, and discussion boards. The app allows you to read lecture notes, view presentations, and even watch embedded videos directly on your phone. You can also submit assignments by uploading files or typing your responses, making it convenient for on-the-go learning. Keeping track of your academic progress is effortless with the Canvas app. You can easily check your grades for individual assignments and monitor your overall course progress at any time. The app sends helpful notifications for new assignments, upcoming due dates, and when your grades are updated, ensuring you never miss an important deadline. Utilize the built-in calendar feature to visualize all your academic commitments and plan your study schedule efficiently. The Canvas app also facilitates seamless communication. You can message your instructors and classmates directly using the Canvas inbox, fostering easy interaction. Participate actively in course discussions, sharing your thoughts and collaborating with peers on group projects. Should you encounter any issues, the app provides access to helpful resources and technical support within its settings menu, ensuring you always have assistance readily available.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.